Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into a common problem that Spring Kafka connoisseurs might encounter. The issue at hand revolves around error handling behavior in a Kafka setup. The goal is to configure an exponential backoff as the default common error handler to catch all possible exceptions during event consumption, triggering monitoring and alerting mechanisms for timely intervention. However, an unexpected change in the serialized key type by the producer led to a runtime error, bypassing the configured error handling strategy. Now, let's focus on the solution to this problem. By delving into the exception classifier structure within the default error handler, we discover that certain exceptions like deserialization exception are considered fatal by default and do not fall under the retry mechanism. This vital information sheds light on why the fixed backoff policy isn't applied to handle deserialization exceptions. The key lies in understanding how exception classifications are handled within the Spring Kafka framework, ensuring that specific exceptions are treated differently based on their severity. In summary, navigating the intricacies of Spring Kafka's error handling mechanisms can be challenging, especially when unexpected exceptions like deserialization exception come into play. By grasping the nuances of exception classification and retry policies, you can fine-tune your error handling strategy to effectively manage various scenarios in a Kafka environment. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring new ways to optimize your Kafka setups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a witty comment below.